Hello, my friends. I'm going to be doing a swipe today using Artist Loft Ready Mixed Pouring Paints. But first I'd like to show you a couple of dried paintings I've done using these paints and swipe technique. This one, I created the video in September, I think, and I intentionally poured the background to look watery because I had this commission to try to duplicate a one I had done before, and I actually like the water better on this one than the original, so I'm happy with the way that came out. Several of you asked to see the embellishment. There it is. Now the cells here look very different than this next one I'm going to show you. I also did this one on video a long time ago. You can find these in my playlists under Ready Mixed Paints. I have over 40 videos using these paints because I really enjoy them. But you'll see that the cells are very different look. They're much more compact and lacy than the blue one. And the reason is because in the blue one I put a base coat down and then added the paint and swiped, where with this red and black one and the one I'm going to do today, I laid the colors down first without a base coat and then swiped, and the cells remain smaller. So that's what I'm doing today. This is also, I'm intending it to be the background for an embellishment, but I'm not sure. It may not look appropriate for what I have in mind, so we'll see, but I think it could be quite pretty on its own. I'm going to be using Turquoise, Aqua Green, and then I mixed a green. I used Sap Green, and it's just far too dark and green for my taste, so I mixed it with some bright yellow to come up with this yellow-green. And then I've got warm yellow, or deep yellow, and then I'm going to be swiping with the copper, which I think will look quite pretty. Now I've extended all of these paints with a mixture of glue and Floetrol, and I'll put the recipe down below. But I've used it a lot, and I really like the shapes and the appearance of the cells I get when I do that. And it's also economical because these paints are not inexpensive, although they sometimes go on sale or you can use a coupon. But I like to extend them by using a mix. And I have found it doesn't affect the quality or the color. I mean, they're a little lighter now than they appear in the bottle, but they will dry closer to this color when done. So, all right, my plan is to kind of do the two blues on one half and the yellow and the green on the other. And I think I'll add some of each of the opposing colors, a little bit to each side, but primarily blue and yellow-green. And then I'll swipe it somewhere in the middle. But I thought it would be fun to add it, rather than the traditional stripes, I'm going to try something different. I've not tried this before, but it'll end up being very stripy, but I'm going to just kind of pour it haphazardly. So here we go. Better get some more over there. We go. Okay. And the Aqua Green. Just start over here and fill in some of those gaps. There we go. Okay, then on that half, the yellow-green. to save some for this side. I guess I'll be using the yellow. Let's see if I can scrape a little bit. Well, not much. Oh well. Just a hint of it. And then the deep yellow. A little bit of this down here. Okay. And some of this blue up here. Okay, now I'm going to tilt it around to get fill in all the gaps and get it more level. Wow, look at that. The blue's moving much easier than the yellow. Interesting. Come on. Just have to get decent, whoops, now there's gaps over on the other side. Decent coverage over the whole canvas. Okay, let's scoop some of this up. I'm so left-handed, I can't even do that with my right hand. Okay. Let me bring that down this way a little bit. It's a little more blue than I wanted. It's okay. All right, now I have added 3 drops of silicone to this copper. Mixed it in well. And here we go. And I'm using little plastic pieces for swiping tool, and let's see, here we go. That copper is so strong, such a strong color. It's very bossy. Let's see what it's going to look like on this side. It's pretty. I'm going to be tilting it around after I swipe, so. It will appear different when I'm done. Okay. It's always easier to swipe towards you, but I don't want to, oh, that's pretty right there. I don't want to have to turn it around right now, so I'll just wipe away from me. Okay, one more swipe. Okay. Well, a little silicone goes a long way. I wish I had, I'm expecting this size cell, not these gigantic ones, but the metallic, you know, reacts differently, and 3 drops of silicone. I mean, that lacing is quite pretty, but I want to tilt it around a little bit. It's a lot brighter than I wanted it to be, but it's pretty. It may be too bright for my embellishment purposes, so it might just be a standalone. I prefer the backgrounds to be a little more subtle when I do an embellishment. But wow, there's some very pretty things happening. I think I'm going to stop. Let me take my glasses, my gloves off, and bring you in a little closer. That copper has a mind of its own. I mean, I used very little there, but look at how gorgeous it looks against the turquoise. That is pretty. I like it. I'm happy with it. At first glance, I wasn't sure, but I think it's quite pretty. I'll show you the dried result before I embellish, if I decide to embellish. What I have in mind to paint an elephant on there, and the elephants are just pretty much gray, so I wanted an interesting and kind of bright background, and this might work. We shall see, or I'll leave it alone because I kind of like it just the way it is. Okay, my friends, thanks for joining me. See you next time.